ABC, sing and learn.
A is for apple, it's a fruit we eat. Red, green, or yellow, tasty and sweet. B is for ball, we throw and catch. It's round and bouncy, perfect match. C is for cat, it loves to purr. Soft little paws and a fluffy fur. D is for dog, it barks and plays. Wags its tail in happy ways. E is for elephant, big and gray, with a trunk that squirts all day. F is for fish, it swims in the sea. It breathes through gills, just like me. G is for goat, it climbs up high. It eats green leaves and jumps so spry. H is for hat, we wear on our head. It keeps us warm when we go to bed. I is for insect, tiny and quick, with 6 little legs that move so slick. J is for juice from fruit so nice. Orange, apple, or lemon ice. K is for kite, it flies in the sky. Hold the string and watch it fly. L is for lion, king of the land, with a mighty roar and a golden strand. M is for moon, it glows at night. It shines above, so big and bright. N is for nest, birds lay their eggs, safe and sound on tiny legs. O is for octopus, it lives in the sea. It has 8 arms, just count and see. P is for penguin, it walks with a wobble. It can't fly, but boy, it can toddle. Q is for queen, she wears a crown. She rules the land in a royal gown. R is for rainbow, after the rain, 7 colors shining again. S is for sun, it shines so high. It gives us light up in the sky. T is for train, it goes choo-choo, riding the track so fast and true. U is for umbrella for rainy days. It keeps us dry in splashy ways. V is for violin with strings so fine. We play a tune and keep in time. W is for whale, it's big and blue. It sings deep songs in the ocean too. X is for x-ray, it looks inside to check our bones when we take a slide. Y is for yellow, bright like the sun, a color so happy, full of fun. Z is for zebra with stripes black and white. It gallops fast and feels so light.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.